Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the trim that covers the rear hatch or power back door on this 2023 Toyota Sienna. We will start by removing these two access covers right here. Use a plastic trim tool to disengage it, and I'll put the links in the video description for the tools that you may find useful in performing this job. So we have a little notch right there that we can get the trim tool into, and then just work your way around. This cover is just held by a number of these clips, and then there are two claws at the end. So don't try to pull it from this side. Disengage it from here and then pull it out like this. And then do the same on the other side of the hatch. And now you have a 10 millimeter head bolt right here to remove. And the same on the other side of the hatch. And now this panel is held on by a bunch of clips. You just grab it anywhere through one of these openings and just gently disengage it and go all around and disengage all the clips. So you can see the red ones right there on the back side. That's what's holding it on. And then just check all the holes and make sure that none of the clips get left behind. Sometimes they stick in the holes, and then when you go to put the panel on, you won't be able to reinstall it because the clip will be preventing you. Well, you'll reinstall it, but it's not going to be done correctly. And then just line the cover back up nice and level. And then go around and engage all the clips. Make sure they all clip in by going around and just pressing in all the areas with your hand, otherwise you can have rattles and whatnot. And then once you're satisfied, we can reinstall the bolts. Now, they don't give a torque spec on these, but around 4-5 foot-pounds is plenty. It's good. Reinstall the cover. You've got the two hooks and then 4 clips. And then do the same on the other side, the bolt and the cover. And there you go, all done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Sienna maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.